Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. Welcome back to yet another episode of Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. In the last videos, we were discussing the 6th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana and we'll be continuing the same today. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last video, we did a portion of Phalavarga from Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya. If you have not watched that video, please click the I button to access it. Moving with the Phalavarga, the properties of Amra, that is mango, Vata Pittasrakrit Balam, Bedhasti, Kapha Pittakrit, Gurvamam, Vadajit Pakvam, Swadamlam, Kapha Shukrakrit. Vada Pittasrakrit Balam Bedhasti Kapha Pittakrit Guru Amram Vadajit Pakvam Swadu Amlam Kapha Shukrakrit. Vada Pittasrakrit Balam Bedhasti Kapha Pittakrit Guru Amram Vadajit Pakvam Swadu Amla Kapha Shukrakrit. The properties of mango are: the Bala Amra, that is tender mango, is having the properties such as Vada Pitta Asrakrit. It increases Vada, Pitta Dosha and Rekta. And Bedhasti, the mango with mature seeds, is Kapha Pittakrit, that is increases Kapha and Pitta Dosha. Whereas the Pakwa Amra, that is the mature or ripe mango, is having Swadu and Amla, that is Madhura and Amlarasa. It is Guru, heavy to digest. Vadajit, it reduces the aggravated Vada dosha. And Kapha Shukrakrit, that is increases Kapha dosha and improves the Shukradhatu. Vrikshamlam. Vrikshamlam Grahi Rukshoshnam Vata Shleshma Haram Lakhu. Vrikshamlam Grahi Ruksha Ushnam Vata Shleshma Haram Lakhu. Vrikshamlam Grahi Ruksha Ushnam Vata Shleshma Haram Lakhu. The Vrikshamla or the Kokkam is having the properties such as Grahi, that is produces constipation. It is Ruksha or rough. It is Ushna, that is hot in potency. Vata Shleshma Hara, it pacifies the Vata and Kapha dosha. And Lakhu, easy to digest. And Shamya Gurushnam Keshaknam Aruksham Pilu tu Pittalam Kaphavada Haram Bhedi Pliharsha Krimigulmanut Satiktam Swadu Yat Pilu Natyushnam Tatradoshajam. Shamya Guru Ushnam Keshaknam Ruksham Pilu tu Pittalam Kaphavada Haram Bhedi Pliha Arsha Krimi Gulmanut Satiktam Swadu Yat Pilu Na Ati Ushnam Tat Tridoshajit. Shamya Guru Ushnam Keshaknam Ruksham Pilu tu Pittalam Kaphavada Haram Bhedi Pliha Arsha Krimi Gulmanut Satiktam Swadu Yat Pilu Na Ati Ushnam Tat Tridoshajit. Shami Bhala is having the properties Ushna, that is Ushnavirya. It is Keshakna, destroys the hair, and Ruksha, dry. Pilu is having the properties such as Pittalam, increases the Pitta dosha. Kapha Vada Haram, pacifies the Kapha and Vada dosha. And it is Bhedi, purgative, and it cures Pliha, that is disorders of spleen, Arsha, hemorrhoids, Krimi, worm infestation, and Gulma, abnormal mass. Another variety of Pilu that is having Swadu and Tikta Rasa is Na Atyushna, that is not much hot in Virya, and Tridoshajit pacifies all the three doshas. Matulunga. Tvak Tikta Katuka Snigdha Matulungasya Vadajit Brahmanam Madhuram Mamsam Vadapitta Haram Guru Lakhu Tat Kesaram Kasashvasa Hitma Madateyan Asishosha Anila Shleshma Vibanda Chardi Arochakan Gulma Udara Arsha Shulani Mandaknitvam Cha Nashayit. Tvak Tikta Katuka Snigdha Madhulungasya Vadajit Brahmanam Madhuram Mamsam Vada Pitta Haram Guru Lakhu Tat Kesaram Kasashvasa Hitma Madateyan Asishosha Anila Shleshma Vibanda Chardi Arochakan Gulma Udara Arsha Shulani Mandaknitvam Cha Nashayet. Tvak Tikta Katuka Snigdha Matulungasya Vadajit Brahmanam Madhuram Mamsam Vadapitta Haram Guru Laghu Tat Kesaram Kasashvasa Hitma Madateyan Asishosha Anila Shleshma Vibandha Chardi Arochakan Gulma Udara Arsha Shulani Mandaknitvam cha Nashayed. Matulunga, a variety of lemon itself. The twak or the peel of Matulunga is having the properties Tikta and Katurasa. It is Snigdha or anxious. Vadajit pacifies the Vada dosha, and the Mamsa or the fleshy part of Matulunga fruit is having Madhura Rasa. Guru, that is heavy to digest. Brahmana, that makes body stout. And Vada Pitta Hara, it pacifies Vada and Pitta dosha. And the Kesara or stamen of Matulunga are having the properties Laghu, light to digest, and it cures Kasa, that is cough, Shvasa, dyspnea or breathing difficulty, Hitma, hiccup, Madatya, intoxication, Asishosha, dryness of the mouth, Anilashleishma, it pacifies Vada and Kapha dosha, Vibandha, that is, it helps in removing the Srodhorodha or obstruction in the Srotas, Gulma, abnormal mass, Chardi, vomiting, Arojaga, tastelessness, Udara, ascites, Arsha, hemorrhoids, Shula, colicky pain, and Mandakni, weakened digestive power. Bhallataka. Bhallatakasya tvak mamsam brahmanam swadu sheetalam tadasti agnisamam medhyam kaphavadaharam param. Bhallatakasya tvak mamsam brahmanam swadu sheetalam Tat asti agnisamam medhyam kaphavadaharam param. Bhallatakasya tvak mamsam brahmanam swadu sheetalam tat asti agnisamam medhyam kaphavadaharam param. Bhallataka, tvak and mamsa, that is the skin and fleshy part of the bhallataka, bhala, is having the properties swadu, that is madhura rasa, Sheetalam, that is Sheetavirya, Brahmana, it makes the body stout, and the Bhallataka Asti or the seed of Bhallataka fruit is having the properties Agnisama, that is similar to fire, and Medhya improves the intellect, and Kapha Vada Haram Param, it is the best drug to pacify Kapha and Vada dosha. Palevata, that is Gua, Swadamlam Sheetamushnam cha Dvividha Palevatam Guruhu Ruchyamathyakni Shamanam. Swadu Amlam Shita Ushnam cha Dvidha Palevatam Guru Ruchyam Atyakni Shamanam. Swadu Amlam Shitam Ushnam cha Dvidha Palevatam Guru Ruchyam Atyakni Shamanam. There are two varieties of Palevata or Gua. They are first one having Madhura Rasa and Shita Virya, and the second variety having Amla Rasa and Ushna Virya. And these both varieties or both two varieties are having the properties such as Guru, heavy to digest, that is Ruchya, improves the taste, and Aktyakni Shamanam, it helps in pacifying the increased digestive power. Aruka. Ruchyam madhuram arukam pakvamashu jaram yati natyushna gurudoshalam. Ruchyam madhuram arukam pakvam ashu jaram yati na ati ushna guru doshalam. Ruchyam madhuram arukam pakvam ashu jaram yati na ati ushna guru doshalam. Pakwa aruka, that is ripe plum, is madhura rasa. Ruchya improves the taste. Ashu jaramyadi, it gets digested very quickly. Natyushna, it is not much hot in potency. Nati guru, it is not much heavy. And nati doshala, it don't increases doshas very intensely. Draksha parushagam chardramamlam pitta kapha pradam gurushna viryam vadaknam saram sakaramardhakam. Draksha parushagam cha ardram amlam Pitta kapapradam Guru Ushnaviryam Vadaknam Saram Sa Karamardakam. Draksha Parushagam Cha Ardram Amlam Pitta kapapradam Guru Ushnaviryam Vadaknam Saram Sa Karamardakam. Ardra or the undried fruits of Draksha, Parushaka and Karamarda are having the properties Amlarasa, Guru Guna and Ushnavirya, and Pitta Kapha-pradam increases Pitta and Kapha dosha. Vadaknam, it pacifies the Vada dosha and it is Sara laxative. Tadha amlam kolakarkantu lakucha amradaka arukam airavadam dandashatham सतूदं मृगलिण्डिकं तथा अम्लं कोल कर्कन्दु लकुच आम्रादक आरुकम् ऐरावतं दन्तशठं सतूदं मृगलिण्डिकं तथा अम्ल कोल कर्कन्दु लकुच आम्रादक आरुकम् ऐरावतं दन्तशठं सतूदं मृगलिण्डिकं. The properties of fruits such as kola, karkandu, lakucha, amradaka, aruka, airavada, dantashatha or jampira, tuda and mrigalindika are amlarasa, that is sour taste, and also it has the properties similar to that of draksha, parushaka, etc. नादिपित्तकरं पक्वं शुष्कं च करमर्दकं दीपनं भेदनं शुष्कम् अम्लीक कोलयोः फलं तृष्णा श्रम क्लमच्छेदि लघुविष्टं कफवातयोः. न अतिपित्तकरं पक्वं शुष्कं च करमर्दकं दीपनं भेदनं शुष्कम् अम्लीका कोलयोः फलं तृष्णा श्रम क्लम छेदि लघु इष्टं कफ वातयोः. न अधिपित्तकरं पक्वं शुष्कं च करमर्दकं दीपनं भेदनं शुष्कम् अम्लीका कोलयोः फलं तृष्णा श्रम क्लम छेदि लघु इष्टं कफ वातयोः. The properties of karamarda, it is pakwa when it is ripened and shushka dried, it is nadi pittakara, it does not increases much of pitta dosha. And shushka amlika and kola, that is dried fruits of amlika and kola, amlika is tamarind, is deepana, that is improves the digestive power, bhedana purgative, laghu light to digest. And it helps in conditions such as the properties are trishna chedi, that is cures excessive thirst, shrama chedi, that is cures fatigue, klama chedi, cures exhaustion, ishtam kaphavatayoho, that is cures vada and kaphaja rogas. Lakucha bhalanam avaram tatra lakucham sarva doshakrit. Bhalanam avaram tatra lakucham sarva doshakrit. Bhalanam avaram tatra lakucham sarva doshakrit. Lakucha is considered as bhalanam avaram, that is worst among the bhalavarga or inferior among the bhalavarga, and it is sarva doshakrit, increases all the three doshas. हिमानल उष्ण दुर्वात व्याळलालादि दूषितं जन्तुजुष्टं जले मग्नं अभूमिजं अनार्तवं अन्यधान्ययुतं हीनवीर्यं जीर्णतया अति च धान्यं त्यजेत् तथा शाकं रूक्षसिद्धम् अकोमलं असञ्जातरसं तद्वत् शुष्कं च अन्यत्र मूलकात् प्रायेण फलमपि एवं तथा आमं विल्ववर्जितम्. इति फलवर्गः. हिम अनल उष्ण दुर्वात व्याळ लालादि दूषितं जन्तुजुष्टं जले मग्नं अभूमिजं अनार्तवं अन्य धान्ययुतं हीनवीर्य जीर्णतया अति च धान्यं त्यजेत् तथा शाकं रूक्ष सिद्धम् अकोमलं असञ्जातरसं तद्वत् शुष्कं च अन्यत्र मूलकात् प्रायेण फलमपि एवं तथा आमं विल्व वर्जितम्. हिम अनल उष्ण दुर्वात व्याळ लालादि दूषितं जन्तुजुष्टं जले मग्नं अभूमिजं अनार्तवं अन्य धान्ययुत हीनवीर्यं जीर्णतया अति च धान्यं त्यजेत् तथा शाकं रूक्षसिद्धम् अकोमलं असञ्जातरसं तद्वत् शुष्कं च अन्यत्र मूलकात् प्रायेण फलमपि एवं तथा आमं विल्व वर्जितम्. The dhanya, the grains that should not be used or that has to be rejected are mentioned. The dhanya which gets spoiled with hima, that is mist, anala, fire, ushna, sunlight, durvata, wind, vyala laladi dushitam, the saliva of reptiles or other animals, and jantu jushta, infected with worm or pest, jale maknam, that got drowned in water, abhumijam, not produced in the natural habitat, anarthavam, grown in off season, anyadhanyayudam, mixed with other grains, and hinaviryam, the dhanya which has lost their properties, adijirnataya, the dhanya which has been stored for long time, the shaka which has to be rejected or not to be used except Mulaka are having the properties such as Ruksha Siddham, that is processed without Snehadravyas or processed using Ruksha Dravyas, a Komalam, that is being old or decayed one, a Sanchatarasam, not mature, Shushkam, dry. The Phala which has not to be used, Amam, that is unripe fruits except Bilva. Bilva Phala has to be used in Ama condition. Today we completed the Phala Varga from Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya Fashtanga Hriday Sutrasthana, and we will be continuing the same chapter in the next videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.